Hi everyone, welcome back to Redline Race Day. Today we're having a drag race. The cars I'm using is the Ferrari 250 GTO versus the Hot Bird. While we have a second, why don't you take that moment to subscribe? The first car is the Ferrari 250 GTO. This car debuted in 2009 from the new model series. This car has a metal body and a plastic base. Its color is red, it has a black interior, clear windows, and it's riding on those laced wheels. The competition is the Hot Bird. This car debuted in 1978 from the Flying Colors series. It has a metal body and a metal base. Its color is black. It's sporting some yellow and red stripes with that Firebird logo on the bonnet. It sports a tan interior, light blue tinted windows, and it's riding on those Blackwall wheels. Okay, race fans, the track is set up, the cars are ready. Let's have race one. The Hot Bird wins race number one. Okay, the track is reset. The cars are switching lanes. Let's have race two. The Hot Bird wins race number two. Well, since the Hot Bird won the best 2 out of 3 races, let's have one more race, just for fun. And there you have it. The Hot Bird won all 3 races and is today's champion. And here's the Hot Bird taking a victory spin on the turntable. Thanks for joining me on Redline Race Day today, folks. I hope you had a good time. Remember, Hot Wheels goes faster and they roll further. If you like what you saw, why don't you go ahead and click like and subscribe. While you're there, hit that notification bell because here you're only going to find the fastest miniature metal cars you've ever seen. I'll see you next race.